Guys, this is day 2 of classroom setup. I'm using these pocket charts for my word wall. If you have never used pocket charts for your word wall, these pocket charts are amazing. So last year I just had 2 and I kept running out of space for just a few of the alphabets, not all of them. So I said this year I would try 3. So you see me putting it here and spacing out my alphabet so that I have just a little bit more room in between them. So this is a really good idea. And I like this idea more than I like anything else. I didn't like hot gluing them to the wall or taping them to the wall. I didn't like putting them on a ribbon. I tried all of those things. This seems to work really good for me. So try it, see if you like it, and let me know. So here I'm getting ready to hang up my classroom helper chart. I have about 5 helpers that I use each week, and I change them out. I change them out weekly, but I would like to try and change them out every 2 weeks. I have done 2 weeks before when I taught 5th grade, so I think I'm going to try my 1st graders, keeping them with the same job for 2 weeks, and that way I don't have to change it out as often. At the beginning of each year, I assign each student a number, and they keep that same number throughout the entire school year. So I'm about to organize those numbers, because instead of me putting names for the job, I will put their number. I will just put the number right by the sign that for the job that they will be holding for that week or 2 weeks, however I decide to do it. So here I'm just putting those numbers in order. In this pocket chart that I'm about to hang, this long blue one, I put my students' library cards in them in numerical order according to their number. And when we head to the library, it's just easy to pull out, hand to them, and head to the library. I'm out of staples. So guys, leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing to do during your classroom setup. What is the one thing that you like doing more than anything else? So here I'm moving the letters word wall over to the center of that middle pocket chart so that it's in the center of all 3 pocket charts. I'm glad I noticed that. So here I'm about to hang up a center pocket chart. I ordered this pocket chart with my allocation last year before the school year ended, and I never did pull it out. I just said I would start using it beginning this school year. So this is what you see here. And I'm covering up those silver staples on top of that black chart, pocket chart, with a black Sharpie. So that's a little hack for you if you want to cover up those bright colors, silver on a dark color. Just use a Sharpie. So I'm just kind of testing it out in my mind. You'll see that shortly. Don't think I'm crazy. I'm just trying to see if it'll work. So guys, that's it for this short and sweet classroom setup day number 2. If you have not liked, subscribe, click your notification bell, and even comment below, please do so. And until next time, infinity hugs and kisses. Bye guys.